Imagine London in the 1930s. The streets are bustling with people. Trucks are still a rare sight, and delivering goods in city neighborhoods required ingenuity and efficiency. It was during this time that the Scammell Mechanical Horse appeared, a small three-wheeled tractor that revolutionized urban transportation. It was designed to replace traditional draft horses while maintaining the maneuverability needed for narrow streets and quick trailer changes. The vehicle was developed by Napier Son for the London and North Eastern Railway. Its design was simple yet highly effective. The front wheel could rotate 360 degrees, allowing the vehicle to turn on the spot, and a special coupling system made swapping trailers fast and easy. This approach allowed a single tractor to handle various types of cargo, from mail to groceries and construction materials. The mechanical horse was produced in two main versions. The 3-ton model was powered by a 1,125 cubic centimeter 4-cylinder petrol engine, while the 6-ton version had a 2,043 cubic centimeter 4-cylinder petrol engine. Both models could reach speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour, were equipped with 3 or 4-speed gearboxes, and featured front leaf spring suspension and a rigid rear axle on leaf springs, providing durability on city streets. The chassis and drivetrain were designed for frequent maneuvering and uneven surfaces, and the compact size combined with the rotating front wheel made the vehicle exceptionally agile. The frame was made of steel, and the cabin was often constructed from wood with fabric doors in early models. This simple construction made repairs easy and kept maintenance costs low. Despite its modest appearance, the mechanical horse quickly gained popularity due to its unmatched maneuverability and reliability. It was used not only by the railways, but also by postal services, municipal departments, and later even by the military, who valued its compactness and convenience in urban environments. One of the most remarkable features was its ability to quickly change trailers. Workers could detach one trailer and hook up another within minutes, making the mechanical horse incredibly versatile. This allowed a single vehicle to serve multiple routes in a day, saving time and reducing operational costs. The mechanical horse became the blueprint for later models, such as the Scammell Scarab, which gained popularity after World War II. Its influence on urban logistics cannot be overstated, showing that a small, agile tractor could effectively replace horses and simplify delivery operations. Thanks to its simplicity and reliability, the Scammell Mechanical Horse remained in service for many years. Some examples have survived to this day and are preserved in museums or private collections, where they can still be seen in action. It is more than a technical invention. It is a symbol of an era when engineers sought to combine innovation and practicality in everyday city life. When you think about it, vehicles like the mechanical horse laid the foundation for modern logistics. Today, we see large trucks and automated warehouses, but it all began with this small 3-wheeled tractor, capable of navigating any corner and quickly delivering goods. This vehicle is a perfect example of how engineering ingenuity can profoundly impact daily life. The Scammell Mechanical Horse became a legend not just for its technical characteristics, but for its historical significance and contribution to urban transportation. Its compact size, reliability, and versatility made it indispensable in London and other cities, and today it remains a striking symbol of 1930s innovation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Scammell Mechanical Horse, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a like so you won't miss our upcoming videos on rare and historic vehicles.